Hello, my name is Dr. Jhosdyn Barragan. I practice in Northern Virginia. And before I came to the ITC dental seminar, I had a very limited experience with implants, having only placed a few. And why I really wanted to come on this CE course was to learn more about proper planning in order to feel more confident and safe in placing implants and get a lot of experience in terms of actual hands-on. I had taken some courses before, but I just didn't feel very confident. And coming here, now that the course is complete, I can tell you that I was able to place a large number of implants. I was able to do immediate implants. The staff was tremendous in the hands-on portion, literally guiding you, showing you proper angulation. And I know that, when I come back to the States next week, I feel confident in that I can, by myself, place any number of implants.